Hi, Crafty Angels. Happy Memorial Day. And it's Vanessa from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here to honor and remember all the military personnel who have passed while serving in the U.S. forces. And I wanted to thank them, and I'm here to honor them and to wish you all a happy Memorial Day. And this is done the last Monday of May every year. And I do this every year. And I just wanted to honor them and remember them in my own way. And this is how I do it. So, to all those that have passed serving in the United States Armed Forces, thank you all. You will always be remembered and never forgotten. So, and in ending this, I would like to say I will always honor and remember the United States Armed Forces. I will see you all in the next video. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. See you all in the next video. And on the flip side, and please be kind, be loving, be caring, and treat others the way you want to be treated. And this ends this video. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.